out of my mind, flying much too high, trying to figure out why. What am I here to find, floating deep out of space?
Welcome back to Gio and Grace. I'm Gio.
I'm Grace.
And today we're joining you from the world famous studio tour. There's a new edition. What is the new edition called?
Jupiter's Claim.
So we're here for Jupiter's Claim. It's inspired by the movie Nope, which just came out today. And so we're here at the studio tour. We're gonna check it out, see what it's all about. Are you excited?
Nope. Just kidding. Yeah.
Right? Nope, that's the movie. So we're super excited. We're gonna check this out. It's supposedly only a 30-minute wait, so we're hoping that that's the case because it's brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing this.
With generation-defining directors like Alfred Hitchcock and Steven Spielberg, and now we are thrilled to film with Academy Award winner Jordan Peele. In just a moment, we'll be taking you to Jupiter's Claim and the actual sets from his new sci-fi thriller Nope, which opens today, starring Daniel Kaluuya, Keke Palmer, and Steve. And today is actually the very first day that this is open, so you're some of the first people to actually publicly take this tour. Very, very exciting. Take a look around, take it all in. These were just deconstructed from the Santa Clarita Valley to be brought here with us. In Nope, Jupiter's Claim is a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jupe Park.
Oh my gosh! Here we are, guys. Jupiter's Claim.
Well, and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie, Kid Sheriff, a movie within the movie. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. A little bit further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso Experience built to showcase an unbelievable new live show.
I don't know what to say. This is just amazing.
Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy is a gold rush of a frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot. What's a bad miracle? You're about to find out.
What is going on?
To the world of Nope.
That's right. Happy trails.
Okay. I think it's time to take that advice and get out. Oh, I don't know about you guys, and that literally gave me goosebumps. That was my first time going in there too. So here we go. All right, everybody.
So that was Jupiter's
what's
Claim,
happening?
everybody.
Something is like messing with my camera.
With Academy Award winner Jordan Peele. He's another incredible director. He directed Get Out and Us, and of course, Nope, which hits theaters today. It's his latest sci-fi thriller. It's starring Daniel Kaluuya, Keke Palmer, and Steven Yeun, and in just a moment, we'll be taking you through Jupiter's Claim. These are the original sets from Nope. They carefully deconstructed them, brought them here, and reconstructed them for all of you. So welcome to Jupiter's Claim. In Nope, Jupiter's Claim is a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jupe Park. Over to your left, you can take a look at the Winking Well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie, Kid Sheriff, a movie within the movie Nope. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. A little further down, to your right, you're going to be seeing the brand new Star Lasso Experience, built to showcase an unbelievable new live show, but it's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It's smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot. What's a bad miracle? You're about to find out. Welcome to the world of Nope. I think we're gonna take that advice and get out. Get it? I will say that is my first time driving through at night, and it's way creepier with all the lights at night than it is during the day. And this is our first day driving through, so you all are some of the first people seeing those effects at night. And I love